Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I yesterday I have taught you about uh, yesterday I have taught about present perfect continuous. Now today we will learn about have and have got. Okay, we will learn the use of have and have got. Okay, have and have got, actually there is no difference between of them. If you are using have, it's also correct. If you are using have got, is also correct. There is no difference between of that. But there are the few of the words which you are using while using have and have got. So it is, if you're using for possessions, relationship and illness, you have to use have and have got. Okay, you cannot use continuous like ing and continuous forms. Okay, you have to be used possession. When you are using possession, relationship and illness, then you have to use have and have got. You can use have or have got. There is no difference between of that. Okay, there is no difference between have and have got. Let's continue with the example that I hope you will understand more about that. They have a new car. Okay, they have a new car. Okay, this is have. They have a new car. What is that? They have a new car. So question, or if you are using got, okay, they have got a new car. Okay, they have got a new car. There is no difference. You can use they have a new car. Is it also correct? If you are using they have got a new car, it's also correct. Okay, I have a headache. You can use also I have got headache. Okay, I have got headache. So this is all both correct. Have got and have. If you can use have, is also correct. Have कैसा होता है ना, है मेरे पास, कब्जा होता है. यू नो पोजेशन क्या होता है? इट्स कॉल्ड द कब्जा. किसी चीज पे कब्जा करना. यू नो दिस इज माइन. आई हैव, मेरे पास ये है. आई हैव अ मार्कर. आई हैव गॉट माई मार्कर. मेरा मार्कर मुझे मिल गया. आई हैव गॉट माई मार्कर. इलनेस, रिलेशनशिप, रिलेशनशिप में भी होता है ना, ही आई एम हैविंग अ टू लाइक I am having my man. He's my man. I have a man who protects me. Got it? So have and have got, which comes for, if you are using these words, you have to use these, not to be the ing forms and all. Okay. Along with that, have or have got, there is no differences. If you are using have or have got, it's a same answer will come. Correct? With these meaning possession, you cannot use continuous form like I'm having. Okay, if you are telling about something kabza, मैंने बोला possession मतलब कब्जा, किसी चीज पे कब्जा. Like this is the marker and this is my marker. This marker is relatable with me. So what I'm telling, I'm having a marker. No, I have a marker. This is my marker. I have a marker. I have got my marker. मान लो ये कहीं खो गया था. I have lost somewhere. Oh, I have got my marker. Oh, I have a marker. Okay. So what is this? These are, when you are using this word, you can't be use I'm having. Sometimes I'm having. No. What comes? If possession is there, you have to be used what? Have or have got. Got it? We are enjoying our, for example, we are enjoying our holiday. We have, or we have got. We have or we have got a nice room. You can be considered we have a nice room and we have got a nice room. We are enjoying our holiday or we have got a nice room. Got it? Because this is ing form with this continuous tense, but you cannot be used when you are using like, oh, हमें बहुत अच्छा कमरा मिल गया था, कब्जा हो गया था, उसमें मिल गया, हमें बहुत अच्छा कमरा मिला. ठीक है, तो इस पे क्या हो गया? कब्जा. Kabza. Possession, when comes in the possession, and relationship, it comes, you have to be used what? Have or have got. You can be used like I am having. I have a marker. I have a board. I am taking the classes on YouTube channel these days. So I have a marker. I have a board also. So this is a simple way. Okay, one more thing. If you are using had, okay, if you are using past tense, so you have to use had only. You can't use got along with the had. Okay, for example, have or have got, you are using. Got it? If this is you are using in the past form, if you are using in the past form, what happened? Have, had. Okay, had. So had के साथ you can't use got, only had. Okay, there is no need to be use got. यहाँ पे तुम have use करो और either have got use करो. Both are the same. Both are the giving the same meaning of that. But when you are using in a past forms, you have to use only had. Cannot be used got. Cannot be used got. I'll tell you a few of the verbs which is relatable with that. Okay. In the question and negative sentence are three possible forms are there. Generally, when you are asking someone to question, okay, how many, for example, how many children you have? This is the form WH wala, HO wala. Okay? How many students you have in your class and all. But generally, we use a question in a three forms. Basically, three possible forms होती हैं जिसमें we ask a question to someone. Okay. First is, do you have any question? हमको क्या पूछते हैं? Do you have car? Do you have marker to teach? Do you have any question? For example, I'm taking the class and the class is full of the students and my class is over. What I'm asking, do you have any question? Generally, the first possible forms has come. Do you have any question? Okay. So, do you have any question? Iska negative, what will be the negative sentence? What will be the negative sentence? I don't have any. I don't have, for example, I'm giving the answer. I don't have any question. Okay, any question. So, what it, do you have any question? I don't have any question. My teacher is asking, do you have any question? I am giving, I don't have any question. मेरे पास कोई question नहीं है. दूसरी possibilities होती है, have you got any question? कोई question मिला तुम्हें? Have you got? फिर यहाँ पे have क्या आता है पहले, यहाँ पे क्या आता है do और does वाली form आगे आती है. But यहाँ पे क्या है? Have you got any question? So what will be the negative sentence? इसका negative sentence form कैसे बनेगा? I haven't got any question. I haven't. वैसे अगर इफ यू वांट टू स्पीक आई हैव नॉट गॉट ये भी बोल सकते हो बट दीज डेज वी आर स्पीकिंग आई हैवंट गॉट एनी क्वेश्चन आई हैवंट गॉट एनी क्वेश्चन सो दिस विल बी द answer. This is the answer of negative form when you are using have you got any question. The teacher is asking to the students, have you got any question? Students is given the answer, I haven't got any question. Okay, have you any question? This is a very less, हम बहुत कम use करते हैं ये. It's a very less useful word. We are asking, have you any question? So no, I haven't any questions. I haven't any question. This is a very less which we use. Okay. Next is, does she have a car? क्या उसके पास car है? Does she have a car? No. She इसमें क्या आएगा? She doesn't have a car. She doesn't have a car. Okay. Have a car. इसमें एक बात याद रखना कि मैंने बताया था possessions, relationship and illness. If you are using about that, you have to use have, not has. She doesn't has car. No. Sometimes we use she doesn't has a car. No. She doesn't have a car. Okay. Does she have a car? क्या उसके पास car है? No. Does she has a car? Has she got a car? Has she got a car? No. इसमें क्या आएगा? She hasn't got a car. She hasn't got a car. Got it? और ये है has she a car? Very less useful. बहुत कम use होता है because ये it's not a appropriate English. While you are speaking English, it's very less of useful. So these are the few of the verbs which is we generally use. Okay. For example, do you have? Mostly we use do because in commonly we use do you have a car? Okay. Do you have any question? Do you have a car? So generally we use. But if you are making a negative forms, no, I don't have a car. No, I don't have a car. You're asking for your friends to be You're asking to your friends, do you have any car? And your friends is saying, no, I don't have a car. So this is a mainly use, this is a form which most importantly use. Have you got? This is also very useful. Does is also used because it comes when it does use. Okay. Has she got a car is less, but it is very very less. It's very very less useful. Okay. So I hope these are the few of the possible forms, three of the possible forms. Generally, we ask the question to someone's and its negative form also form about that. Okay. In the past question, have or have, in the past question, if you are, देखो मैंने बताया था कि when you are using have and have got, तो in the forms of you can use do you, have you got. So अभी अभी मैंने जो बताया, तो in the past if you are using in the past forms, then what you use in the past question and negative sentence, you use a did and didn't. Okay. If you are asking about something which happened in the past, so what you will use a past simple tense which is did and didn't. Okay. It's a past question if you are asking something about that past. Okay. Did you know? Okay. So what you will use, did is and didn't. If you're asking negative question, so it comes didn't. For example, did you have a car? You are asked, did you have a car when you were in Delhi? जब तुम दिल्ली में रहते थे तो तुम्हारे पास कार थी क्या? Did you have a car when you were living in Delhi? Okay. Did you have a car? कौन सा tense है? Which tense is this? Did you have a car? This tense considered as past simple tense when you were living, when you were living in Delhi. This is past continuous tense. Okay. जब तुम दिल्ली में रह रहे थे तो तुम्हारे पास कार थी? No. Okay. I didn't have, this is a negative forms. I didn't have my phone, मेरे पास फोन नहीं था. I didn't have my phone so I couldn't call you. I didn't have my phone so I couldn't call you. Oh, so sorry, you were ill. I didn't know about that because I didn't have my phone so I couldn't call you. Okay. Now let's come to the next. These are the forms. Okay. Have breakfast, have lunch, have shower, have a good times, etc. When you are using these words, while using these words you have to use have. Okay. You have to use have. जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ लेते हैं. Breakfast, have breakfast, have dinner, have a cup of coffee, have something to eat, etc. Okay. Have a bath, have a shower, have a swim, have a break, a rest, party, have a holiday. Have a holiday. I'm having a holiday also. I have a holiday. An accident, have an accident. Have, when you're using have, these all the words will come. Okay. An accident, an experience, a dream. I have a dream. I have a dream to become a biggest YouTuber. Okay. I have a look. When you are looking somebody's. Okay. When you are looking somebody's, a look at something. Look at. Have a look. Have a look. Okay. Have a chat. Have a chat to someone. Conversation. Okay. Discussion. When you are discussing something, have discussion with each other. Okay. So have discussion, conversation, and chat. These also come along with the have. Trouble, difficult, fun, good time. I have a troubled a lot in my life. Okay. It's a lot of difficulty. I have a lot of difficulty while going my job. Okay. I have a fun. We have fun a lot. We have a lot fun. We have a good time to spend to each other. Okay. A baby, when you, I have a baby. I have two babies. I have three babies. Okay. So these are the words when you are using while have. Got it, my point?